So finally, Wipro, CGI and Hexaware is doing mass hiring. SCL Tech, Wipro, CGI, Hexaware and TVS Tata Motors is doing biggest mass hiring. Criteria is not mentioned in the website, so please don't skip this video, otherwise you will not get to see any update. See the shortlisting mail, because if you don't know criteria and you are applying, then definitely you will not get to see anything. So please go and watch this video which I already uploaded. In this video I already told you 4 biggest off campus drive. Go and apply now. First watch video till and understand the criteria, then apply for these hirings. So Wipro walk-in drive for freshers means this is live now. 0 year of experience is needed. The Hyderabad location is there. 21st to 25 April is the walk-in drive date and 9 to 11 AM तुम्हारा पूरा टाइमिंग रहने वाला है. 2 to 2.5 lakh packages there. 19 openings are there, means this is mass hiring, and you can see that venue and address is written here. First you have to update your Naukri profile and key skills, work experience you have to add, because excellent communication and this is mandatory. And you can see this is for freshers, and you can see required skills. Click on read more. Just add in your resume Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint, and please add these skills on your LinkedIn, Naukri profile, and add communication skills and interpersonal skills also. This is work from office. Any graduation should all have documents, and PC and CMM mandatory. You can see that pursuing candidates are not eligible, because only graduate students are eligible. Interview location, timing, dates, everything, and mandatory document you have to purchase, and mandatory document you should have carry while interviewing. So updated resume, recent passport size photograph, ID proof online, and provisional degree, which is very mandatory. So you can see BE, BTech any specialization, BCom, BSc any specialization, BA any specialization, because all branches are eligible, and these bachelor degrees are eligible. You can see that highlighted skills here is written. So please add all these skills in your resume as well as in your Naukri profile. So you have to do one thing, that just like location, green tick is here, just green tick key skills and work experience also. Type anything like you work freelance, you do freelancing in Upwork, Fiverr, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. Just green tick कर दो, and early applicant just skip this part. So please apply as soon as possible. And अगर experience नहीं है, see freshers are eligible, but अगर वो तुम experience अगर दिखाओगे तो और भी ज़्यादा benefit मिलेगा. You can see that I do Excel work in freelancing, तो ऐसा कुछ बोल देना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. And you can do this, and you can easily crack this company. So please apply as soon as possible, and please go here and attend the walk-in drive. So next biggest mass hiring is announced 2 hours ago. Hexaware Technology announced 2025 batch mass hiring. BE, BTech students are eligible. This is SP GAT hiring process is announced, and you can see that deadline is 27, means only 3-4 days are left. Just click in this link, you will redirect to Superset. SPGAT 2025 off-campus drive mass hiring, only 4 days are left. You can see 15 LPA your package. This is very huge package they are providing you. So biggest package they are providing you, but full-time opportunity 15 lakh per annum. Batch here is 2025 batch, but this will not be, but this is not quite easy. Okay, so you have to understand that you must have advanced skills, like first understand bachelor degree and master degree is, see only BTech B is eligible, not master degrees are eligible. CSIT, data science, any specialization, applied departments, electronics, all branches are eligible, but mechanical civil is not eligible. 7.5 and 75% throughout academics होना चाहिए, and no active backlog. 3 year service bond is there. Don't see this here, just see the package 15 LPA. Okay, and you can see that here you will get to see the job description. Just first add these domain in your resume, which I am telling you now. So please read from here, because यहाँ पे कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छे से visible है. तो you can see that Gen AI and cloud is mandatory, problem solving skills, and these skills are mandatory, and project execution and data driven decision making, बहुत सारे डोमेन है. and अगर ये तुम डोमेन ऐड नहीं कर रहे हो, then you will not get to see the any shortlisting mail. Just read from here, add cloud technologies, generative AI, machine learning, add these all. Like you can also add these title also, like problem solving, analytical skills, collaboration, leadership, project execution, digital transformation in your interpersonal skills. And please read this, add domains in your resume. This is your IT role, so please apply as soon as possible, because you will join as a cloud and generative AI specialist. You need to understand that. Go to Google, search cloud, generative AI tools, technologies, just add in your resume. If you don't know about these, just first add in your resume, update your resume, apply for it, then learn these technologies. But don't miss this opportunity because only freshers are eligible, 0 year of experience is needed. So don't skip this opportunity. If you don't know, first update your resume, apply for this, and then learn it. Follow the roadmap. You will get to see many YouTube videos, generative AI and cloud related roadmaps they will tell you. So please जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड प्लीज ऐड जनरेटिव एआई's प्रोजेक्ट, यूज पाइथन इज वेरी easy, just use Python and may create advanced project. You can copy paste from GitHub also and add in your resume because time is limited and you have to put advanced project in your resume related to cloud and generative AI. So please add domain in your resume and add a project. Take project from GitHub and see that and download them in your system and just add title and give description that I worked in this and update a resume and give your updated resume and apply for this. Then come and please check project which technology tools and how they are working, कैसे क्या बना है पूरा अच्छे समझ लो and you can easily crack this company. So this is the biggest and amazing opportunity for you. Tomorrow I will definitely upload selection process and all resources. Just subscribe our channel. So the next biggest opportunity and mass hiring is coming from CGI. CGI is doing ASE role hiring and you can see only database, Linux, Windows, Unix and enterprise skill written here. Click on I am interested, but you can take a referral also because job ID, position ID is written here and you can easily get the referral because in past many students got the, because you can see easily you will get to see the referral. Many students already got the referral. So please apply as soon as possible. Don't skip this opportunity. This is biggest opportunity for you. Associate software role is there and cloud infrastructure. You can see everywhere you can see that cloud is written there. So this is mandatory. Don't think that this is very advanced technologies are written there. This is the future, cloud and generative AI. If you don't know, don't apply for this hiring. और वैसे भी मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया, नहीं भी आता तो मैंने ऑलरेडी तुम्हें ट्रिक बता दी कैसे काम करना है. Just follow that steps and you can easily crack this company. So apply for CGI. This is mass hiring. Don't underestimate this hiring. You can see that Python scripting, database, all technology tools, everything is written here. Just read this, add domain in your resume, update your resume and hit the apply button. Next biggest opportunity is coming from TVS. TVS doing trainee apprentice, which is absolutely for fresher. You can see 0 year of expenses needed. You will join as a trainee apprenticeship. Himachal Pradesh is your location. ज़्यादा इसमें कुछ नहीं लिखा है, but you can see assemble work and you can read this and quality assurance knowledge is required because maybe you will join as a QA engineer. So please add those domain in your resume related to QA tools, technologies, any project you can also add in your resume because projects are mandatory because 0 year of experience is needed means they only see your projects skills. So please add advanced project in your resume and apply as soon as possible. Don't skip this opportunity. This is biggest hiring apprenticeship trainee TVS. So please update your resume, apply for this hiring, click on apply for this job and apply it. Next mass hiring is coming from HCL Techs, which is hiring for multiple roles, graduate engineer, trainee and many things. SMT batch 24, 25, 23 batch is eligible. Just apply for this. You can see bachelor, master degree all are eligible. MBA are eligible. You can see applied earlier for HCL Tech during campus hiring process. Click on no if you don't want to reject. Just click on next and fill this form ASAP. Please attend Wipro walk and drive, but don't underestimate Exavier 50 LPA package is there. Just grab this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. 27 is the last date. Take time, update your resume, add domain in your resume, add advanced project related to generative AI cloud. Take 2 days. Last date is 27. Just skip today and tomorrow. Apply on 25 April. Just in 2 days do research for advanced project, add in domain in your resume, add a project in your resume. If you can add a GitHub link of your project, you can do that also and you will get to see the more benefit. So please apply as soon as possible. Don't skip this opportunity. Tomorrow for sure I will upload selection process and all resources I will provide to you. You can easily crack that. You can easily crack this Exavier 15 LPA package easily if you follow that. So please do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon if you like this video. So please hit the like button also and please go and watch this video. Don't underestimate these opportunities. All freshers are eligible. Just apply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.